So friends, welcome to a new crypto update video. Yes, today we're talking about ETH, or rather NA. As an altcoin favorite, this has been requested now to take a closer look here. Okay, where are the possible spot entry zones here? What does the coin generally look like? What should one pay attention to? That's why I thought, okay, let's do this today. We'll definitely take a look at ENA in the larger time frames. We'll take a closer look at that on CoinMarketCap and possible take profit targets during the bull run and of course buying prices. So definitely stick around until the end. But before we start, feel free to give the video a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. Feel free to check out the free Telegram Talk and Signal group. If you're into updates, news, and signals, feel free to join in. And if you want to buy ENA, for example, you can do that at my partner. You can do that at the Binx exchange. The link is down in the video description. Also, you're supporting the channel, or rather me, with that yes. We're currently trading ENA at 0.81 US dollars. But first, it's worth taking a look at CoinMarketCap. We have a market cap of 2.46 billion US dollars. And that's for a coin that was launched just about a year ago. That's not really what I want to get at. I'm more concerned about, we currently have a token supply of 15 trillion. Keep that in mind. So 15 billion tokens currently. And now take a look at the token unlock events. Every month tokens are being unlocked here and not just a few, especially on the 2nd in April. Just going to release 2 billion tokens, so 13.75% of the supply. And then every month, 15% of the supply. For me, that's already a tricky altcoin where I personally wouldn't invest anymore. On one hand, because the market cap is already so high. And secondly, because here, just like that, 14% are just thrown onto the market. Yeah, supply. It's just being thrown onto the market like that. So very, very risky. And that's something to pay attention to. Now let's take a look at the all-time high when we check the price here on CoinMarketCap. Was here. Where exactly do we have it? So around $45. The market cap is already higher than it was at the all-time high, or rather at the current all-time high. That's another sign where I would say, wow, as you really have to be extremely careful. From a technical chart perspective, we had a textbook double top up here. I can quickly draw that in. This is the area here. A textbook double top indicates a trend reversal. This did happen. We had an enormous sell-off from our high up here down. Is it now down 45%? Down. That would basically be the first buying zone. So this area between 72 and let's say 59 US dollar cents. The chart is also relatively short here. As I said, the chart is just under a year. We had a nice bottom formation here. Everything is nice and good and all that. We still have the possibility here, should we now enter our buying zone, or rather we were there yesterday. And here we are consolidating, and the token unlock event is before or even earlier, let's say, a nice chart structure. We can still break out upwards here. That's not really what it's about, but there are just too many problems or potential challenges for me here that are coming our way in the coming weeks and months. On one hand, of course, okay, technically the chart looks good up to April or top them out. If we can hold down here and consolidate nicely, it could head towards a new all-time high. Even in the direction at least $152 if we get an altcoin season, or even go up another level to $1.86. That's the price targets for now. Doesn't all that sound pretty good? But all of that should actually happen before April will happen, because we will then have this investment phase where 13% will come onto the market. And that's a bit of this uncertainty factor, which is why I'm personally staying out of it. This video is just for you, for everyone who is interested here. That would basically be my buying zone. So this whole area here from 72 US dollar cents down to the golden pocket at 59 US dollar cents. The next one, in my opinion, would then be around 33 US dollar cents. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. As I said, I can't really do more analysis here. It's all about the golden pocket here, or rather former resistance, or rather support. But like I said, these factors honestly just bother me, that more and more tokens are coming onto the market. The project really has to perform exceptionally well, that we don't, let's say, manage to have a steady price drop downwards. Unless a big hype comes up again, we simply need that in crypto. That's definitely it for today's update video. Feel free to share your thoughts, and feel free to write your other old customer wishes in the comments. And yes, otherwise I would say, shall we catch up for the next old customer update video again? I wish you all a good one. Have a nice day. Take care until then. Bye. And as always,